Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. Look what we've got here. I'm not an expert for ribs. That will leave you to one of my best friends. He is an expert for the ribs, but I will try my best. So we're gonna start removing all the excess of fat we got. So that's fat we got on the ribs. And of course, we're gonna do the same procedure in the other ribs. Yeah, just all that fat just is not bringing anything to us. Yeah. So a key point for the ribs when we are doing them on the grill is to remove this part I'm gonna show you here. Yep, that is the one. We need to remove this because this is just hard. Yeah, this, and it's very useful if you can use a serviette or a napkin, a dry one, yeah, of course, to help yourself. It's the easiest way to pull it out. Yeah, then after it, sometimes it comes all in at once, or then like me, you have to try 2 or 3 times to remove all that stuff. It's just very nice when you do it, because then you don't have this part while you are cooking it. Yeah. So, and now we are just so far all clean. As yeah, look, just a little bit more here, and that's it. So look, we got that, and now we are just gonna add some mustard that our rub sticks to the ribs. This is a kind of glue we're using. Yeah. So mustard, and for both thighs, important, both thighs mustard, just massage the ribs. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, we need mustard everywhere. Yeah, just like that. And of course the other side, as I mentioned. Yeah. So now it's the time to use your preferred wrap. I'm using Pull That Piggy. It's the one I had here actually, and it works also for pork, of course. Yeah. So you're gonna add sufficient wrap everywhere. Enough is enough. Yeah, you gotta cover all your piece of meat. Yeah, both thighs, of course, and I am putting them in a vacuum bag, and of course I will vacuum it later and leave it over the night on the fridge. And as I mentioned, we're gonna vacuum it. Yeah, just like that. This process just accelerates the process. It speeds up the process of the meat getting the flavors. Instead, overnight or 24 hours, with this process, it takes 4 to 5 hours, and then your meat is ready to go. Yeah, just like that. So now I will leave it, in my case, over the night because it's night here. So I'm grilling them tomorrow. Yeah. So now we got our, of course, charcoal already on, and already on the white. If you see here, they are white. They are not. We're not having direct fire on it. Yeah. Just we place our 2 ribs. And just like half an hour earlier, we place our chips into water for around 30 minutes, and we just let it there. Yeah, just smoking blend for pork. Yeah, we let it them for around 20 minutes. It will just make more smoke if they are wet. Yeah, just like that. You see, first batch I'm using like 50, like 2 handfuls of it, and now we just had to put a lid on, and we let the process continue, the smoking process. Yeah, we open the lid on, yeah, and just let it smoke. So after around half an hour to 45 minutes, I had to turn the grill, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of this is apple juice. I'm gonna spray my meat just to bring a little bit of humidity, and for both sides is important, just humidity. Yeah, I'm using apple juice. You can use any other juice that you have. Yeah. And we are gonna add the rest of our chips to continue the smoking process. So they're really looking very nice now. Now we just need to wrap them into paper and let it grill a little bit more, that it's getting more tender. Yeah. In the meantime, I'm making a barbecue at home, which I will paint the meat later on. So I got my baking, it's not baking, this is a grill paper. You can also use baking paper with alu foil and also cover it. And I'm adding a little bit of apple juice as well, just humidity as I mentioned. And I will let them around 1 hour. Yeah, just in the time that my barbecue is getting ready. Just wrap it and back to the grill. So after around 1 hour, then we just open it and paint it with our homemade barbecue. You can use a barbecue of your own and let it caramelize. Now you are ready to enjoy it, and I hope you like it and it helps you to make your next step spare ribs. So take care everyone and have a nice day.